When you're looking through the assignment details of an assignment in XactAnalysis and scrolling through dozens of notes and activities to get a clear understanding of the assignment, it can take up a lot of time. This is where the Assignment Summary feature comes in. Assignment Summary is a new AI-powered tool within XactAnalysis designed to give you a quick, accurate overview of any assignment. To use the Assignment Summary feature, open an assignment and click the Summarize Assignment icon at the bottom right of the page. Once clicked, the AI will read through all of the notes and activity for the assignment, and, in 30 seconds or less, will generate a concise summary. The summary gives you notes and loss instructions, key claim information, coverages, and top-line items by cost. And that's it. With Assignment Summary, you can skip the tedious note scrolling and get straight to the information you need. Did you like this video and want to learn more? We offer a variety of training options. Just click the link in the description to find out more. Leave us a comment if there's anything you'd like to learn more about. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Xpert tips each week.